In this section, I want to explain filling system, gauge, feeder, and pouring boss. First, I want to explain about filling system because I want to mark it, and you can see different because we want to have it two different simulation. But first, I want to rotate piece for 90 degree. I want to mark it now. The gauge should be here in this corner, and one in corner up here in this area. Filling system. Pouring like that because aluminium should be contacting in surface here, not go direct because if we go direct we have a turbulence if we go direct like that, and feeder in top. If we need to afterfill, we can afterfill it from top if we have some shrinkage. Every time if we have a more metal in piece, you need to think to afterfill it. If you leave it down, you can't afterfill it from down because it's molded close, molded like that. And if we have more metal, for example in this area, you can't afterfill it. It's better when you have more metal, leave it in top because you can afterfill it. Also, when you want to afterfill it, if you leave, for example, if you leave 10 or 20 millimeter, when metal go here, when you afterfill it, we have a problem with the turbulence. It's better to have it about 100 distance from part to top the mold. One simulation we want to make it like that. Another simulation I want to make it from bottom. And also be careful if you pour it from bottom. If it's direct in core, we have a problem in this area for pourer. But if you pour it from bottom, because it depends the piece for what we use it. If we use it for high quality for pourer, it's better you put one filter in this area, and filter they fix speed and everything for floating metal. But if you don't want to use the filter, you can make it like that, and metal come. And when it's filled this area, it's not go with the pressure direct in core. But also be careful because if you have a different thickness, this should be bigger, because when you start shrinkage go here in this area, move, not in piece. Filling system we can create in piece or we can create in mold, but it's easier if we create it here and we can make a simulation, not wait when we finish mold, then make simulation, and if we have some mistake we need to change again. But here we can Now we can make a feeling system, and after we can make a simulation and we can see if it's okay, we can continue creating mold. I want to have it sketch. Like we said before, I want to have it 100 from top per piece and have it from corner. Also, when you create feeling system, be careful, because if you leave 100, it should be close here, not have distance, big distance, because when metal come, it's a long distance to pour it with the metal. It's better to have a close, not for example 10, because we have problem with the hot metal. I want to have it in angle. We go with 8. That's enough. I want to have from here. Now it looks good. We continue. I want to have it like that. It's better like a cone, because first I'm creating a sketch. Make this. It's too big, but we can change the distance. But first I'm creating sketch. This radius is too big. We go 10. And here we go. This should be in same percentile. We can make parallel. So we go 45. Radius bigger, if we go 20. And from here it's 1.5. From here should be 8, not big. And there's the difference. We make up a little, because if we again we have a problem with the turbulence if we leave 25. Now it looks better. We can mirror this. I don't have it mirror here, but I have it, yeah, mirror above here. We go trim. We delete. Now we have because we trim it. It's okay. No, it's okay because it's same, because we make a mirror, and we go like that. Now we want to extrude. With a draft, it's 10. Like that. We go same in this case. We can say extrude, but we change only direction. We see we have it's too big, but we can change. We go same. We go 10. I want to control draft and this. It's in right direction. Draft is in right direction. But it looks not so close here, and if we leave like that, when we bring gauge here, it's not close. We need to make it closer. We need to change the sketch and say here. And also change a little angle. It looks better. Because we need all dimension to complete. We have a dimension here because it's mirror.